Hello, awesome third grade artists. Today I'm going to explain to you a little bit about what we are doing this week in art. So you've made it to the blue folder that says third art session, info and assignment, or you wouldn't be watching this video. So there are links in this folder that will get you through everything that you need to do for this week. You'll see a link that says Module 01.01. That will take you to Florida Virtual School, which is the curriculum that we're using. So within Florida Virtual School, I want you to look at slides 1 through 19, all right? Just 1 through 19, no more than that. There's a lot of great information there, and if you have trouble with any of the words, don't forget that there is a speech tool at the top. You can click the little word bubble that has 3 dots in it, and it should pop up on the side some buttons, and you can hit the play button and it will read the whole page, every page to you. All right? That's if you need it. Okay? Now, within Florida Virtual School, there are sometimes extra projects. The only project you have to do is the one that I put within the folder that is an assignment, okay? So there is a project in the folder that is an assignment this week. If there are any other projects within Florida Virtual School that you want to do for fun, that's fine. But the only one that you have to turn in and upload to Schoology is the line assignment that is in the folder, all right? And there is directions above that will show you how to do it via video, or you can upload it as a JPEG. And please make sure that you upload it to Schoology and not sending it via email so that we keep everything together. All right? Now, let's talk about our assignment. We're going to be studying lines. All right? You're going to create for me a really cool line design. You are going to start with a dot. And you can put your dot anywhere on your page. From that dot, you are going to make 10 lines that go out from your dot. All right? 10 lines that go out from your dot. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, within each of these sections you've created, you're going to create a different pattern. You can use stripes, but you don't want to use stripes in multiple sections, okay? If you're going to use stripes once and then come up with some other patterns. It's going to be kind of boring if you just do all stripes, all right? Now, if you wanted to create a pattern that uses stripes going one way and then going the other way, that's a checkerboard, and that's totally okay. That's different than just regular stripes. You also want to think about kind of mixing up your patterns so you don't have all your straight line patterns beside each other and then all your curved line patterns together. When I say curved line, there's a bunch of ways you can do curved line. You could do a concentric circle, which is like a target. And that a concentric circle just means it goes around and around, like it gets bigger. And that could be one of your patterns. Or you could do something like fish scale or mermaid scales. All right? Now, you don't want to make the patterns just ginormous, because then it will look like a little itty bitty kid did it. And you guys are great artists, and you don't need to do little itty bitty kid stuff. So you don't want to do them real huge, but you also don't want to do them super duper tiny, because if you do them like itty bitty, all of them, your hand's going to get tired, you're going to get frustrated, you're going to get bored, and you'll get messy. So have some variety in the sizes that you use, but make sure you don't do them too big or too small. Now, if you notice with this one, I'm getting bigger as I go out. You can do that if you like. It's not a problem. Try to be neat. I'm getting a little messy. I'm trying to rush. So when I rush, I get messy. So take your time. This project is going to be due Monday. So have it done and uploaded by Monday, okay? Now you're going to do a pattern in every spot, I'm not going to take the time to do that now because I think you get the idea. Create a different pattern in each of the sections. Then you're going to color it. You can use marker, color pencil, or crayon, all right? And you're going to pick 5 colors only. Do you have an idea of why you might only choose 5 colors? The reason is you don't want to go overboard with the colors because then it gets visually confusing. There's already a lot of patterns going on. So if you use every single color that you have, your picture is going to look what we call busy. Busy is not always good in art. It gets the eye really confused. So you want to limit yourself to only 5 colors for your picture. Here's another one that I've been working on. I'm not quite finished with it either. I gotta draw some more patterns, but you can see what I'm doing with the colors. So I'm using purple, blue violet, red orange, red violet, and indigo. And sometimes I'm mixing them. You can see right here, I've kind of blended my colors together. That's absolutely okay. So I'm only using 3 colors here, all right? I'm using 3 colors in this section. You don't have to use all 5 colors in every section. I'm going to be using 3 in this one. I might use 2 in this checkerboard pattern. I used only 1 over here. I used indigo. I pushed hard and then I did a lighter. I didn't push as hard. So I went harder, softer, harder, softer. So that's only 1 color, but it looks like 2, right? Very cool. So that is your assignment for the week. Color your whole page, 5 colors only, different pattern in each section. I would recommend using pencil first. If you want to trace it in a marker later, you can, but I would do pencil first in case you make a mistake. It's easier to fix. All right, artists, I can't wait to see your work. Bye.